Hello, I'm Maria Sanchez, and today I'm with Adam Majewski from the FURNICERT project team at Furnitrue, one of the partners organizations in the cooperation partnership in FURNICERT. This video is part of the third newsletter edition for the FURNICERT project. Maybe some of you may be wondering what is FURNICERT. FURNICERT is an initiative funded by the European Commission as part of the Erasmus Plus program, and it is designed to train individuals with the essential language skills required in the furniture industry. This training is achieved through an online platform that teaches English while also focusing on the development of new competencies in furniture design and production. Today, we have the privilege of welcoming a company with vast expertise in this sector. Adam, please, tell me something about Furnitrue.
Yeah, hi Maria. Thanks for having me in this short interview. So, if I could briefly explain Furnitrue is, I think it's behind the Furnitrue. There is a group of specialists, including myself, with strong academic professional background, which is rooted in wood technology as a part of furniture industry. All of us, all members of team, graduated from wood technology, and in most cases we also are PhDs in different areas, such as, for example, historic furniture, upholstery, upholstered systems, or multi-layered honeycomb panels. And I'm not saying this not just to show off or something, but to prove that we are open-minded and eager to gain and develop competences, like numerous competences in furniture industry in broader sense. Therefore, through many years of experience, at least 12 years of experience actually, of practicing and co-working with companies of different scale and different production profile. We have experience in, for example, preparing and conducting R&D work within furniture, designing and constructing furniture, conducting numerical analysis, conducting furniture restoration workshops. Also, we have experience in participating in Erasmus Plus project. That's, for example, that's like FURNICERT. And recently, we've been getting really heavily into life cycle assessments of furniture, which is, you definitely know, a hot topic right now. Mm-hmm. And what's the origin? Just like Poland has been a leading manufacturer and exporter of furniture in Europe and the world for years. And that's why it's like really strong and well-established branch of economy. But on the other hand, only 2 universities provide 2 courses related to furniture and industry design. So one is in Poznań and the second one is in Warsaw. That's why it's a kind of a niche to be a specialist in the field. On the other hand, although now more difficult period is underway, furniture undoubtedly is a kind of a basic need. It means that the furniture will always be close to people, close to the users, and constantly developing to meet changing user demands and user needs. So we know that furniture companies in Poland, they want to develop, they want to expand their competences, they want to create innovative products. So we as a Furnitrue take advantage of our skills and know-how, and we would like to support them in many fields. So in the name Furnitrue, so that's why we included this element of truth, honesty, and integrity in acting to raise the quality on furniture produced in Poland, to build stronger market positions of our customers, and to participate in companies' transformations. So ultimately, we're just really very fond of furniture and everything which is related to that. And we as a company, we've been operating for nearly 3 years now. So we can see that still there is a lot of work that needs to be done in the field of furniture making in Poland.
Mhm. Very, very interesting indeed. All the job that you are developing together with your colleagues. And yes, some of the topics that you mentioned are also part of the 20 materials that we are developing here in this project. And speaking about Furnitrue, I would like to know what is your role as a project manager in Furnitrue. So how you organize your job in with the company and also in this project.
Yes, so in the Furnitrue, in general, in Furnitrue, the project management has like more like democratic nature. So because of each member of our team is a specialist in some different areas of competences in furniture industry, but they all complementary. So we are working more like on partners way. So I can say that I'm the first person to contact within the FURNICERT project. So then anyway, we meet periodically, allocate and discuss tasks in the project, and then execute them, and to be also to be here to if any partner has any questions regarding the material that we prepared, because we were responsible for the, let's say, initial part of materials to prepare the first, the vocabulary, all the rhetoric, let's say, input of the project. So we do our best to be also supportive for the rest of departments.
Mm-hmm. And this brings me to the following question, which is what are you and your colleagues currently working on in the project? I mean.
Mm-hmm. So currently, apart from participating in FURNICERT project, we are involved in preparing and conducting research and development work for one of the Polish furniture producer, which strongly emphasizes environmentally responsible design. So this, I think, this is not very popular in Poland yet, but nevertheless, it's breaking through to more and more in the consciousness of manufacturers. So we believe that in the near future it will be impossible to sell a piece of furniture without proving the environmental impact of its production.
Mm-hmm. You are based in Poznan, in Poland, as you said, and like the coordinator of the project. And it is said in the proposal that one of the companies surveyed for the need analysis reported remarkable skill gaps of English skills as a foreign language. And I'm wondering if this is the situation also in Poland, and why do you think this project, the result that we are producing, is worthy for companies and also their employees?
So yeah, it's right now it's like pretty obvious that nowadays to be in a good command of spoken and written English is like a basic skill. So especially for people entering the job market right now. So it shouldn't be like the question if you know English, but how well you know English. And even companies, even now, we also know, we have experience of companies who work internationally and create relationships based not only on business but on trust and professionalism. So as FURNICERT, we are also partners from different countries. We communicate in English, so it's like common, it's like basic everyday stuff for us. So it's also important that the verbal and spoken communicative in English should be effective, of course. So it sometimes happens also, we know that from the surveys, that it's even impossible to get promoted without knowing the different other, let's say, language, for example, English. So this FURNICERT project brings many benefits on many levels. First of all, it is like a language course. So definitely it affects employees' language competences in grammar, vocabulary, etc. And the second issue is that it's based strictly on cross-functional specialized knowledge of the furniture industry. So it contains professional definitions, vocabulary, which is also like good worthy input in the FURNICERT project. And apart from that, I think that all the structure of the course, the way how it's prepared, and the overall, let's say, feeling of the course. So you might have the impression that the knowledge behind it, even if it's like specialized, it's given in an accessible and even entertainment way.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I totally agree with you. Well, we are about to finish in our interesting conversation, but first, one more question for you, Adam. Furnitrue and FURNICERT are quite similar words, aren't they? This project aims to enhance our English language skills, as we said. Maybe can you tell us your favorite word in Polish? I don't mind if it is related to the furniture sector or not.
Yeah, that's an interesting question. You know, Fernie plus something always on almost most cases works well, like FURNICERT, Furnitrue, furniture, and some other maybe variations. But for me personally, there's lots of different words in Polish that I like. For example, it's one word called ściągwa.
What does it mean?
It's very melodic. It is like on one part, it's like the regional name for the bug, small worm, and it's also you can use this word to name a girl in a maybe not very kind, but also not rude way. It's like ściągwa, like really melodic, and involves all these difficult Polish characters to pronounce. And I think the other one is like muzyczka. Mm-hmm. So I think for me it's like really soft and like casual, light-hearted way, a reference to music, which is also one of my hobbies, especially electronic music. So that's why I use this word a lot. So could be defined as my favorite.
Okay. Pretty funny, very interesting to listen to other words that are part of English language. Okay, thank you very much, Adam, for joining us, and see you all in the next video.
Thank you very much, Maria.